Hi, Sophie. Have you got a second? I need to go over the changes to the patient follow-up system for speech therapy cases.
Sure, Mihira. What's different now?
Well, traditionally we booked reassessments automatically at 6 weeks. Now, only high-risk patients, like post-stroke or head trauma cases, will be scheduled formal reviews. Others will be contacted at 4 weeks by phone, and if there's no flagged issue, no in-person session will be booked.
Okay, but didn't we move to longer intervals before because of resource shortages?
True, but audits showed delayed intervention worsened outcomes, especially in patients with early mild dysphagia. So, even though resource pressure is real, the new system prioritizes clinical need over blanket timeframes.
Got it. So, patients without red flags may not even need face-to-face review?
Exactly. It's about identifying who genuinely needs intervention earlier rather than letting everyone wait based on calendar dates.
Makes sense, Mihira, though it's another adjustment for the ward nurses to track.
I know, but catching deterioration sooner could save a lot of escalation down the line.
Mihira, what you experienced was a common type of fainting episode known as vasovagal syncope. I want to reassure you that this is not typically a sign of a serious problem with your heart or your brain. It can feel very frightening, but it helps to understand the simple mechanism behind it. Essentially, your body has a reflex that, when triggered by something specific like sudden pain, stress, or even prolonged standing, can cause a momentary miscommunication in your nervous system. This leads to a sudden drop in both your heart rate and blood pressure. When that happens, less blood and oxygen flow temporarily to your brain, which is what causes the brief loss of consciousness. It is your body's dramatic but generally harmless way of resetting itself. The fact that you have been discharged is the strongest reassurance we can offer. It means that after a careful evaluation, the medical team was confident that this was a benign, isolated event and not a symptom of a more serious neurological or cardiac condition. With some simple management, like staying well hydrated and being mindful of your triggers, this is a condition that can be easily managed, allowing you to move forward with confidence and peace of mind.